Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are in this world. This is Hajin Lee with a morning update for Bitcoin. So, this shows the labels that I had. I had indicated that in order for us to get the second round of the impulse, we need a breach. It didn't breach, and now it's going to try again. And that's usually the case. And if it tries again, it'll be interesting to see how this can be labeled. So here, I wanted to see if I can do a pattern out. See if I can do a determination of which pattern could be discernible. So one thing I would do, this could come out to a horizontal line. We could look at a potential triangle. And the labeling of this triangle will be A, B, C, D, and E. And this would still count as 5, A, B, C, D, E, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 does not overlap with 1, then 5. And after 5 waves, there's a correction. Remember that the correction could be of 3 types: an ABC zigzag, ABC flat, and there are 3 types of flats. There's a regular flat, expanded flat, and a running flat. You don't have to worry about the running flat, it's so rare. And then there's a triangle, exactly like this. So this morning when I saw this chart, I was thinking, what kind of a pattern could this be potentially making? You can still go by the ABC. So after 5 waves, you have an ABC. And you can then say this is 1, 2 as well. So we've got our second round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this is assuming that this second round will breach the top line of the wedge pattern. There you go. So if this line can be breached, and it's trying again, you can also see a bit of a slight bit of a fractal where you can see this pattern here. Price rose here as well. Price rose. So we're having a very stair step like pattern. Price did the same thing here. If this is wave 1 and wave 2, and if this is wave 3 going up to here, this 3 should have the impetus, the vigor, ability to breach the resistance line. And maybe 3 will go here, 4 will go around here, so 1.618 times the length of 1. 5 has to go more to the right. There you go. 4 should be 38%. And if we get this, we could have a very nice potential for left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. This could go down lower, yes, to more horizontal. We'll see. We don't know that yet, exactly how that's going to play out. But what we do need first is a breach of this top line. It's amazing how the price is adhering to the wedge boundaries. Very nice. I also wanted to go back to our daily MACD. Which has 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 waves placed. The 9-day red histogram is making a very nice trend line. It made a lower low, higher low, even a higher low. They all touched this trend line. And I think it's going to go positive. We're going to go start seeing a positive line. Very small one, coming up like that. And then you're going to see a longer one. Like that. Meanwhile, the white 12-day indicator will turn up, cross, and pierce the red. So these will be the reversal shoots. These were the reversal indications. Something's wrong with TradingView. I keep getting refreshes. My mouse thing is broken. I contacted them. They don't know why that's happening. So if you can bear with me, that'll be great. Let's see if this ever gets fixed. I've updated my mouse driver. I've updated my extensions. I've done everything. And still, sometimes it goes to the left of the mouse pointer. And now this time it's back to the left of the mouse pointer. It's driving me nuts. Anyways, um, so if we have 5 down, we could still go up, and then I'm just kidding, and go one more down. And that would call for the one more low scenario, especially if that upper line of the wedge is not breached. This could go one more turn. And there could be a smaller dip here too. But I think this looks very bullish in setup. And if that breach happens and the cross actually happens, that would be pretty exciting time to come. All right, thanks for listening. I appreciate the consideration of your views, comments, and questions. And as always, this time around as well, I hope I've earned the right to ask you for your upvotes, follow, and the V-steams. That'll really be helpful for the visibility of the blog. Thank you and have a great day.